Welcome. In front of me I have the NUKI Opener, and I'll go over unboxing of this little device. So anyway, I'll just pop it open. It's a small little gadget. One thing that I found kind of interesting looking at it right before actually starting the recording is the pictures that they have, which use this device almost always near the door, which kind of makes it redundant if you, for instance, have something like this NUKI smart lock, as this has a button which acts the same way as this button. So it kind of makes this redundant, and if you have it near the door, or if you have it, I don't know, a bigger house and you just want to kind of, I don't know, maybe you have like 2 floors and you on a second floor, someone rings the bell, you can just press the button on the second floor and it will open up the door at the bottom. That obviously makes more sense, but in the use case scenario that they're presenting on the pictures, it's a bit more redundant. Now in here we have a cable to connect it to something, right? Not necessarily sure to what. Come on. I don't think there's anything in there that isn't coming out. Oh boy, that's a bit of an oof. So this looks like it's a older generation product, as it's still using micro USB cable or plug for charging, and obviously any kind of connectivity, which European Union now mandates that, I think it's from 2024, that every device needs to use Type-C that has any kind of battery for charging purposes and just connectivity. So this one must have been released before, as like I said, still micro USB. And for context, again, bringing this up as I just unboxed this, the NUKI Smart Lock Gen 4 is already using a Type-C charging port on there. Now, anything to this, to be completely honest? I'm pretty sure this is supposed to somehow come up or come out, but I'm not sure how. Now we do have this little pull tab to remove it, so it actually starts working, making the connectivity with the battery. Trying to open it up without actually like, whatever. So yeah, there is a couple of things that are included here. I was trying to open it up, but I failed. So we have this little connecting cable, which I have a suspicion what this might be used for without actually checking out the guide. It could be to basically link it with the actual lock itself. So when you press the button, it opens up the door, and that would make it probably more secure if it's some kind of like hardware-based pairing where you need to actually connect it instead of through Wi-Fi or whatever. That can be a little bit more faulty. We also have mounting screws right here, and this little plug. Again, not sure what you would use that for, considering there's not many things coming off of this little device. There is no cable routing from it. The only plug you can do is this one right here at the bottom for charging. So I'm a bit confused about this one. But in any case, that's basically all we get in the box. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and also manual, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.